Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video for today, we're going to tell you about how to create personal Microsoft bookings for your use and organization needs. So the first thing you're going to need is a Microsoft account, and we're going to be using Microsoft Outlook in order to create our bookings for our calendar events. So here we have Microsoft Outlook currently open, and as you can see, you can choose the day, the week, the work week, or the month to be displayed for your calendar. On the upper left corner, you can see the calendar list, and you can also click on Add Calendar in order to make a new blank calendar list. For example, we want to create a bookings list. So click on Add Calendar, and we're going to call this new blank calendar bookings. Feel free to choose a different charm or color to customize it and personalize it to your needs. Now, after making that calendar, on the upper left corner again, we're going to click on New Event. And after clicking on New Event, we can change it to be saved to either our calendar or bookings folder. Now, once that's all set up, let's try making our first event. So go ahead and click on the new event or click the drop-down list and then click on Create New Event. And let's pick a title for this event that we're making. Let's make an event for a sports fest. And underneath the title, we can also invite different accounts to be collaborators or invitees for this event. We can also choose the exact time and date for the event, or even set it to be an all-day event. Of course, there are a ton of different features, and one of the more important ones is to choose a proper location for our event. We can choose a different park since this will be a sports fest, and right underneath that is the description box for the event. Here, you can put any details you wish or any information for the event that others can see or view. Remember, you are free to put anything in this description box as long as it fits the description of the event. Then, once you're happy with all the details of your event, go ahead and click on Save. And as you can see, once you're done saving and putting the details of your event, it'll automatically be displayed on the date and time of your choosing. Here, we now have our event for Sports Fest shown on our calendar list. We can also click on the share icon in order to create a link to this event and invite other collaborators or invitees. We can also decide to share the booking itself or the folder on the My Calendars list on the left-hand side to not only share one event, but all the events under those bookings. And that's really all there is to it. You can also edit the event, change the date, change how it's shown as, and personalize it with lots of different details as you wish. And once you're happy with all that info, you are now ready to create bookings and more events for all your calendar and organization needs. You now know how to make a calendar group, create an event, and link it underneath that booking event. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any other questions regarding all the steps featured here, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Yet again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.